So this evening I'm here with Emma, my creative pal, and we're here at Soho Radio with Skullcandy and this, and we are going to be painting these. We've got some pens, and I'm gonna just be chill and paint and chill. That's the idea. So I just got home, and what a just fun event, just so chilled out. Everyone was really cool. We had Soho Radio in the background, just, I don't know, there were just like some bands playing, people in and out, and yeah, just a really nice evening. Because even as a creative, I don't necessarily make time to just be creative. I think I usually do things and it just has to have a purpose, and like, yeah, just nice to actually just chill and just mess around with the colours. Obviously it was nice to catch up with Emma, and then there was the guys from Skullcandy, and there was also the guys from Board of This, and that's just Ray and Ash, and they're like really chilled out ladies, and yeah, just really nice. We even chatted about joining their skating crew, so I mean, if I had any balance then I'd definitely take them up on that, but my gymnastic days are truly long gone. But thanks for the offer, ladies. And yeah, you should like follow them on Instagram. I'll leave their link below. They're just really cool, and like the workshops are nice, and it's just so different to like just design a skateboard. which was weird because Emma, she'd just been to Canada and was thinking about doing her own skateboard range. So I mean, look out for Emma Inc. skateboards, because that could be a thing coming soon. You heard it first. So yeah, like if they've got some more workshops coming up, definitely recommend it. And yeah, just had such a nice time. My board didn't go to plan, but it's okay, and I didn't stress out about it, and like that's quite a big achievement for me, because usually, yeah, I have to like plan everything, like measure it all, but it was just nice to like kind of freestyle it and have a bit of wood showing through, because yeah, I didn't actually intend for this bit to be wood. I messed up my measurements, but I really like it, and it shows that it's like wood underneath and painted on, so it was a good mistake. And yeah, I'm going to show this to Jack when he gets home. He's about to walk through the door any minute, so I'm just kind of like talking really quickly. But yeah, hopefully this can go on the wall.